Hi, Matt here from Crooks the Cabinet Makers. So finally, today I've actually got round to building something that I wanted to build for a really long time. And it all comes down to the Makita chop saw that I bought around about 13 years ago. This is the original table design. And one of the things, initially I hoped that I could put tools in here, but the overall height is just too small. As I couldn't fit a drawer in here, I decided to kill two birds with one stone and make a drawer unit. This is really straightforward, but also, that fits on the van really easy. Sharpening stone, wire and pipe detector, polyurethane glue, PVA glue, and of course my chisels. I suppose the big question is, how does that work in actual cutting? So what we've got here really is just a box, and a box inside a box. It's not really nothing clever about it. There's no beautiful joints or anything like that. It's just straightforward butt joints. Now, how to see it in action. So the main problem I find when I'm working with this, without the box, I have to make a cut. I have to make a cut down here of all of this waving around. So of course I can make a cut, or I can use the clamping point, or I can find various pieces of timber and pack to the right height, which is really inconvenient, but at the same time that's the kind of thing sometimes you end up doing. So what I've done here is I've designed this to be an extension piece, and as we can see, that box is dead flat to that base. Now there may be, say, like a paper thin amount underneath there, and that's fine with me. I'm quite happy if this is not touching. If this is too high, even fractionally, I can press it down there. I can press it down at this point and hold several, or 2 or 3 meters of timber in place just by holding here and cutting through here. As far as I'm concerned, most of my inventions are sort of, I'm going to say, I'll wing it, and sometimes that works out well, and sometimes there's room for improvement. Well, with this one I'm pretty pleased because I seem to have covered a lot of bases with a really simple solution. So anyway, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and stay safe in the workshop.